Sorry for the technical glitch. Now next point is convertibility. Shares cannot be converted into debentures, but debentures can be converted into shares. And repayment, shares are not repaid or not redeemable during the lifetime of the company, generally equity shares, but debentures are repayable after a certain period of time that is fixed in the agreement of the debentures. So these were the 12 differences between shares and debentures. You need to learn this very properly, understand it in the correct and best manner. And if you have any queries regarding this, you please text me or call me at my number that is with you. Next is loan from financial institutions. So sources of borrowed fund, first we have seen issue of debentures or bonds. Debentures and bonds are almost very similar. Next is loan from financial institutions. The central government and state government have established several financial institutions over the country to provide financial help to the companies engaged in business. These institutions are called development banks, as they aim at promoting industrial development of a country. Besides providing financial help, these institutions also conduct market service and provide technical assistance and managerial services to the people. Some of the important financial institutions in India are discussed here. We'll see them. Number one is Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IFCI. Next is State Financial Corporations, SFCs. Next is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI. Next is Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. State Industrial Development Corporations, SIDCs. Unit Trust of India, UTI. And Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. So these are the financial institutions set up by the central government and the state governments as per the requirement all over the country to provide financial help and financial support to the commercial and business organizations. So we'll not go in detail about these financial institutions that were when they were established and